Faraday's law: when one element is used in electrolysis, your deposit will be where deposit is equals to density is equals to molar density is equals to mass by volume, and the molecular mass by n factor into 1 by F into I into T. Time however second ray Faraday hela 96500 if nothing given. Change in oxidation state la n factor. Then second law, weight of 1 by weight 2 is equals to equivalent of x equivalent by molecular weight by n factor of x, then molecular weight of y by n factor divided by n factors. The electrolytic conduction, G is equals to conduction is equals to 1 by resistance, K is equals to length G by A, K is equals to L by rho. Our rho है resistivity. Then molar conductivity, delta M is equals to K into 1000 by M, or delta M is equals to S Cm square mole inverse, और M टा K is equals to pi square by del M is equals to K into 1000 by M, molarity M है molarity जो तले रहेगा, और M टा M it is inversible, delta M is equals to M equivalent into N factor. तो the K रा unit ओम इनवर्स CM इनवर्स ऊपर वाला फार्मूला, यदि मीटर इनवर्स थे तळ वाला फार्मूला. Euler's law conductivity of infinite dilution ହେଲା जहाँ दरकार 8 जहाँ दरकार 17 multiply coefficient वाला calculation delta m is equals to x delta m plus delta b. variation is a dilution will be कितने delta by concentration. strong electrode गोटे सीधा बाड़ी, weak electrode curve. weak electrode alpha is equals to under root of Ka by C, and alpha is equals to delta m by del naught m, degree of dissociation ହେଲା alpha, और K is equals to dissociation constant C alpha square 1 minus alpha. इनफिनिट डायल्यूशन ହେଲା ତଳ ଡିନୋମିନେଟର ରହିବ ଆଉ ଡେଲ୍ଟା ଏମ୍ ଟା ଉପରେ ରହିବ ଆଲଫାରେ. ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ୍ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ତାର ଇନଟ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ବେଶୀ ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ଥିବ, ବେଷ୍ଟ ରିଡ୍ୟୁସିଂ ଏଜେଣ୍ଟ ଇନଟ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ବେଶୀ ନେଗେଟିଭ୍ ଥିବ. ଆନୋଡ଼ରେ ଅଏଲ୍ ମାନେ ଅକ୍ସିଡେସନ୍ ହେବ, କ୍ୟାଥୋଡ଼ରେ ରିଡକ୍ସନ୍ ହୁଏ. ସ୍ପାରିଂ ସଲ୍ୟୁବଲ୍ ସଲ୍ଟ ହେଲା E ଇକ୍ୱାଲ୍ସ ଟୁ KSP ପଛରେ. ଫର୍ ଏ ସ୍ପଣ୍ଟାନିୟସ୍ ରିଆକ୍ସନ୍ E ସେଲ୍ should always positive. Nernst equation, E cell is equals to inert cell mass 0.0591 by n factor log P by R, product by reactant. E है अब P है इलेक्ट्रॉन देने वाला, E है डिनोमिनेटर है इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने वाला. हाफ सेल रिएक्ट अच्छा क्वेश्चन Q इज इक्वल टू रिएक्शन कोसेंट, देन E इज इक्वल टू E उल्टा आया रहा, E लेने वाला बाय इलेक्ट्रॉन देने वाला. E नॉट है इंटेंसिव प्रॉपर्टी, also E cell property does not depends upon the mass, cannot be additive. E cell additive nature delta G naught है depends on work done and extensive delta G naught. A strong electrolyte है delta M equals del naught M minus A root C, nature of electrolyte है A. Gibbs free energy delta G is equals to delta H minus T delta S, delta G naught is equals to minus NF E naught cell, delta G is equals to NF E cell. Equilibrium constant Kc is equals to 10 raised to power n E naught cell by 0.0591. Working of electrolyte जैसे zero गणिता E extra दिला, then electron will be transferred from zinc to Cu positive. और सीधी हेले आइडो डायरेक्शन will be opposite and anode रे loss of electron हवा जो zinc side रे loss of electron. Current flows in the opposite direction of electron. The z घंटा E extra रहिला, then electron will be zinc to copper transfer. Cell constant is equals to length by area is equals to K into R. K है specific conductivity or conductance और R है resistance. Cell constant है X is equals to length upon area K into R. Solubility KSP is equals to 1000 into K by delta naught whole square. Cell potential for half cell reaction E equals to E naught H plus H2 minus 0.06 by N log PH2 by H plus concentration. PH2 active रहेगा और E H plus 0 रहेगा. H plus concentration power लगेगा mostly extra 2 ही लगे H plus concentration power. If nothing is available to get, then n factor take us 2 always for compound like Ni NO3 whole twice. Where deposit is equals to molar factor by n factor I into F into I into T. T second रे I T को हम लिख पारे Q by T रे, तो T T कट जावा होइरे, और Q equals to weight deposited by molar mass. वो वाले क्वेश्चन में रिएक्शन में बैलेंस आउट करे तो गेट द n factor. और Ag2 plus to Ag गले 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, O2 to 2H2 गले 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन n factor नवा. सब मन लगता है n factor नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द रिएक्शन. गिवन मास में मोलर मास इज इक्वल्स टू n नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, तो सेठी हमें फर्स्ट लॉ रे भी पक्के पे फटाफट फर्स्ट लॉ रे ताको नहीं काट पाइबो ना n नंबर ऑफ मोल्स को नहीं कोने की काट पाइबो. हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल हियर हाफ सेल रिएक्शन हेले PH2 को यदि PH3 देछि देन H प्लस कांस्टेंट 10 पर -3 मन रखते एटा एको हाफ सेल रिएक्शन पक्का कोछि. देन एनोड हेला H प्लस H फॉर एनोड आसीबो एमती. देन अगर इनर सेल में किसी जगह ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल की जगह पोटेंशियल दे रखी है, देन नेगेटिव वाइस वर्सा, देन जो दिया है वही ले लो, ज़्यादा चलाओ. If weight is not given in Faraday's one law, then take it other side and convert it to moles. As a reference of electrode हमें यूज़ प्रेफर करेंगे जो टेम्परेचर पे वेरिएंस कर सकता है। रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल इक्वल्स टू सब्लिमेशन एनर्जी प्लस आयरेशन एनर्जी प्लस हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी। कंडक्टिविटी इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय रेजिस्टेंस। सो सेल कांस्टेंट इज इक्वल्स टू के इंटू आर, के इक्वल्स टू कंडक्टिविटी इंटू सेल कांस्टेंट। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन। अच्छा, क्यू क्वेश्चन रहेला जो इलेक्ट्रॉन देने वाला कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऊपर रहेगा, लेने वाला कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऊपर रहेगा पावर रे। एट इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन डेल्टा जी इज 0 and delta G naught equals minus 2.303 RT log by into K equivalent. E cell is equals to 0, E naught cell is equals to 0.059 by n factor log K equivalent. K equivalent equilibrium constant at equilibrium condition. In electrochemical cell, if it is electrode, then salt bridge is necessary. Electrode then preferential of order of discharge contains CuHAb and then E cell is equals to 2.305 RT by NF log K equivalent equilibrium constant. Remember. अच्छा, pH 3 ହେଲେ 10⁻³ ର ହୋଲ୍ ସ୍କୋୟାର ନେଇହେବ, ମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ନଷ୍ଟ ହାଫ୍ ସେଲ୍ ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ରେ 10 ଡିନୋମିନେଟର୍ରେ -3 ର ହୋଲ୍ ସ୍କୋୟାର କନ୍ସନ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ୍ ନେଇହେବ। pH 3 ହେଲେ -3 एंड हेले एंट्रोपी चेंज, सो डेल्टा इज NF डेल्टा E by डेल्टा T P। E cell is equals to minus equation minus H by NF plus T dE by dP to P। Electron conduction depends on nature plus structure of metals. Second is the number of valence electron per atom. Temperature is inversely proportional to conductance. Ionic conductance, nature of electrolyte array, size of the ion produced, nature of solvent and its viscosity, concentration of electrolyte, temperature is ionic concentration. Fluorine gas is the strongest oxidizing agent, is weakest reducing agent. Lithium ulta. Values of conductivity, insulator and tricks of conductometric titration. Titration ହେଲେ strong electrolyte ଟିକେ slant ହେବ, ପୁଣି weak electrolyte curve ହେବ, ପୁଣି ତାପରେ ସିଧା ହେବ weak electrolyte, ଆଉ strong electrolyte ପୁଣି curveଟା straight line ଟା ଉପରକୁ ଯିବ। titration ହେଲା ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗରୁ present ଥିବ titrants। analyzers ହେଲା ଯୋଉଟା ପକା ହେବ। strong acid plus base ହେଲା HCl, NaCl, NaOH। weak acid plus ହେଲା CaCO3, NaH4OH, benzoic acid, weak acid। The precipitation titration हेले AgNO3 plus KCl and AgCl KNO3 हेले जब दोनों सॉल्ट्स होंगे तो स्ट्रेट लाइन सीधा जीवो, देन ऊपर को स्लैंटिंग ही उठियो स्ट्रेट लाइन टा हमेशा यही ग्राफ बनेगा। बैटरीज प्राइमरी हेला नॉन रिचार्जेबल लिथियम ड्राई सेल्स। कैथोड ग्राफाइट सराउंडेड बाय पावर हेड मैग्नीज डाइऑक्साइड and carbon. Space electrode is filled with moist paste of ammonium chloride NaH4 Al and zinc chloride ZnCl2. Anode है Zn2 plus 2 electron. Cathode है MnO2 plus NH4 plus electron. Net reaction MnOH plus NH3. Ammonium produced in this reaction react with Zn2 plus to give Zn NH3 whole 4 whole 2 plus. Mercury cell anode zinc mercury amalgam, cathode HgO and carbon paste separator. Anode है zinc mercury plus 2OH minus gives zinc ZnO plus H2O plus 2 electron. Cathode है HgO plus H2O plus 2 electron, Hg plus OH minus. The net reaction is equals to Zn plus Hg plus HgO ZnO plus Hg. Secondary battery is rechargeable by passing current in the opposite direction. First lead storage battery 38% sulfuric acid, anode PbSO4 whole twice 2 minus is equals to PbSO4 plus 2 electron. Cathode है PbO2 plus SO4 2 minus plus 4H plus 2 electron gives PbSO4 plus 2H2O. Net reaction है Pb plus PbO2 plus 2H2SO4 gives 2 PbSO4 plus H2O. On recharging, if reaction is reversed and PbSO4 on anode and cathode is converted into Pb plus PbO2. Nickel cadmium cell, expensive, long lasting. Cadmium plus 2 NiOH whole thrice gives CdO plus 2 NiOH whole twice plus H2O. Fuel cell, galvanic cell converts the combustion energy of hydrogen, methane, methanol into electrical energy used to provide electrical power in Apollo space program and drinking water. Hydrogen and oxygen are bubbles and though porous through carbon electrolyte into constant aqueous sodium hydroxide. Cathode है O2 plus 2H2O plus 4 electron gives 4OH minus. Anode है 2H2 plus 4OH minus gives 4H2O plus 4 electron. Overall है 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Corrosion slowly coats the surface at metallic objects with oxide and salts. Example: rusting of iron, tarnishing silver, development of green coat on copper and bronze. Metal is oxidized by loss of electron to oxygen. Anode है 2Fe gives 2Fe plus 4 electron. Cathode है O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron gives 2H2O. Overall है 2Fe plus O2 plus 4H plus gives Fe2 plus 2H2O. Fe2O3 dot X H2O prevents surface spent like SN and zinc can surface sacrifice MgSN. Electrolysis chemical energy. Anode 2HCl minus gives Cl2 plus electron. Cathode H2O plus 2 electron gives H2 and O2. NaCl plus H2O Cl2 H2 plus NaOH. Which is overall brine solution.